Getting an installation failed error when trying to install Zoom. Whether the installer won't start, stops midway, or displays an error message during setup, there are several ways to fix the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom installation failed in 2026. First, restart your computer and try the installation again. Temporary system conflicts or pending updates can sometimes prevent software from installing correctly. Visit the official Zoom download page and download a fresh copy of the installer. Older or corrupted installation files can cause setup failures. On Windows, right-click the installer and select Run as administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to complete the setup process. Make sure your computer has enough free storage space for Zoom and any temporary installation files. Low disk space can cause installation errors. Some antivirus programs or firewall configurations may block software installations. Review your security settings and ensure Zoom is not being restricted. If Zoom was previously installed, uninstall any existing versions and remove leftover files before trying the installation again. This can resolve conflicts with older installations. Check for Windows or macOS updates and install any available updates. Missing system components can sometimes cause software installation failures, and that's how to fix Zoom installation failed in 2026. By using a fresh installer, checking permissions, clearing old files, and updating your system, you can resolve most installation issues quickly. So follow these steps and get Zoom installed successfully. Thanks for watching.